Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 11th numerical. Question is written as a beam PQRS is 18 meter long and is simply supported at point Q and R 10 meter apart. Overhangs PQ and RS are 3 meter and 5 meter respectively. A train of 2-point loads of 150 kN and 100 kN 5 meter apart crosses this beam from left to right with 100 kN load leading. It means that the load is moving from left to right and the 100 kN load is ahead of 150 kN load. Now the maximum hogging moment in the beam anywhere is. Now we need to determine the maximum hogging moment. Now we know that because of this overhang portion, the maximum hogging moment will lie in this spans only. Now the span length of PQ is 3 meter and the span length of RS is 5 meter. So the maximum hogging moment will be lie in this span. So we had made the ILD for bending moment at R. Now to draw the ILD for bending moment at R, we need to give a unit rotation at R. Now due to unit rotation at R, this ordinate will be equals to 5 because this span length will be equals to 5. Now this is the hogging moment, so we had put here the negative sign. Now what will be the condition for the maximum hogging moment? Now for maximum hogging moment, we have to place the 150 kN load so that it will be multiplied by the maximum ordinate and we will get the maximum hogging moment. Okay, now for maximum hogging moment, we need to multiply the load with the ordinate, that is 150 into minus 5. We will get moment as minus 750 kilonewton meter. We had not multiplied the 100 kN load with any ordinate because it is not in the beam P, Q, R and S. So we had only multiplied the 150 kN load with the maximum ordinate, that is 5, and we will get the maximum hogging moment as minus 750 kilonewton meter. That is all about this question. We had completely solved this numerical. Thank you very much, students.